I found these ribs at Costco. They're all huge, bone-in short ribs. This is a short rib plate. It's got a lot of meat on there. And I figured I would do a carne guisada style, so coat it in a little bit of flour. This is just something I found at Costco on my first trip. If you didn't see that, that's on the last video. Whenever I do a braise like this, I always just go with the electric pressure cooker now. You might know it as like an Instapot, and I just love how fast it is using the pressure cooker. I mean, I used to always just do my short ribs straight up in the cast iron Dutch oven, and it takes hours. But with this method, takes only about 45 minutes and your ribs are ready to go. Just a little coaty coat and some flour. It's gonna help to make a nice sauce with all that beef stock and the spices that I'm putting in there and the peppers. But absolutely stunning. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So these are gonna be some damn good tacos. Also, have you guys ever been to Costco? That was my first time there. I was pretty amazed. To the braise, I'm not gonna add much. I'm just gonna do some onion in there. My God, these are gonna be some fucking good tacos. Now the chiles, they just need to be de-seeded. They're gonna be reconstituted in the broth, so it's all good. You wanna de-seed these guys because they're gonna get hella bitter. It's gonna be bitter as fuck, so you don't wanna do that. Boom. Coriander, cumin, white pepper. This is gonna add some body to it. Don't worry, I'm gonna do it off camera. I'll get all the fucking tomato out. Something Chef Pressy taught me, a really amazing prep cook, is that if you want a sauce to have more body and flavor, add some tomato paste. It's gonna be fucking perfect. To this, I'm also gonna do some coffee. Just one shot can go a long way for some added flavor. I love coffee with beef flavor. It's a really nice combo. Come on, give me my shot. Beautiful. Look at that golden, frothy, beautiful shots. It's kind of fun doing this with the camera. What do you guys think? Is it getting you dizzy? Whoa. All right. Let's try not to make a mess holding the camera and the shot. All right, deglaze. There we go. Salt, toss in our ribs, and then broth can go in. Get in there, come on. That's what we want. I always forget which way this thing goes. There we go. Let's go.